Good morning. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of this AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box is a picture of the AirPods Pro. On the right and the left sides of the box we have Apple logos. On the top it says AirPods Pro. On the bottom it says what the AirPods Pro is compatible with, the importer's information, and we have the model number and designed by Apple in California, assembled in Vietnam down here. And on the back of the box it says AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case in English, French, and few other languages. And we have a picture of the case right here with the USB-C cable below. So, as usual, we pull up the straps. Now once those are off, we can just lift the top up. Okay, so right on top is a pack that says designed by Apple in California. And inside we have the quick start manual, safety and handling guide, regulatory compliance information. This is for Thailand. Apple 1-year limited warranty summary. And right here we have the AirPods Pro itself. Get it out of the plastic wrapping. Here we have the pairing button, a slot to insert a lanyard or whatnot, the USB-C port below, and obviously you just open it up to pair and whatnot. Okay, so further inside, if we remove the partition, right here we have the earbuds. If your various sizes, XS, S, and L. And here we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. It is the new braided type, so it should last longer. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Thanks for watching and goodbye.